Welcome, Fact Hunters, to another deep dive into the amazing world beneath the waves. Today, we're celebrating our anniversary by revisiting some of our favorite sea creatures and uncovering some brand new facts. First up, the seahorse, nature's tiny equestrian. Did you know that the word seahorse comes from the ancient Greek words hippos, meaning horse, and campos, meaning sea monster or sea animal? In fact, there are about 40 known species of seahorses. These masters of camouflage swim upright, blending in with underwater plants to avoid predators, and they have no scales, just a thin skin stretched over bony rings. You can even tell each species apart by counting those rings. They propel themselves with a small fin on their back that flutters up to 35 times per second. And get this, citizen scientists have discovered that the Coleman's pygmy seahorse is even more widespread than we thought. Next, we're riding the currents with sea turtles, Earth's most ancient mariners. These air-breathing reptiles have roamed the oceans for over 100 million years. Loggerhead turtles possess a magnetic sense, allowing them to map the ocean and return to their favorite feeding spots. In fact, they can learn and remember the magnetic signatures of different geographic regions, aiding their navigation. Female sea turtles exhibit homing, returning to their birth beach to lay eggs. And remarkably, green sea turtles can hold their breath for up to 5 hours. And don't forget, baby sea turtles are called hatchlings, about the size of a silver dollar when they emerge. Now let's get intelligent with octopuses, the Houdinis of the sea. The oldest octopus fossil dates back a whopping 296 million years. Their arms aren't just for grabbing. 2/3 of an octopus's neurons are in its arms, allowing them to solve problems independently. It's all thanks to an excellent sense of touch. Their suckers have receptors that enable an octopus to taste what it is touching. And the surprises keep coming. Scientists have discovered at least 4 new deep-sea octopus species off Costa Rica. And these deep-sea octopi evolved copper rather than iron-based blood called hemocyanin, which turns its blood blue. Prepare for some high-frequency fun with dolphins, nature's underwater comedians. Dolphins can exchange 80% of the air in their lungs with each breath. Plus, they don't drink water like humans. Instead, dolphins get all the fresh water from the fish they eat. Their eyes are adapted for both above and below the water viewing. They produce an oily substance to protect their eyes underwater. And paleontologists discovered an ancient giant dolphin in the Amazon. And did you know bottlenose dolphins have 72 to 104 teeth? They only get one set of teeth for life. Finally, we're surfacing with the giants of the sea. Whales, the gentle giants of our oceans. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth, reaching up to 100 feet long and weighing as much as 200 tons. One little-known but interesting fact about whales is that some species have been found to store carbon in their bodies for over a century, making them natural climate allies. Speaking of which, researchers saw large year-to-year variations in whale song detection, and the amount of humpback whale song continually increased. That's all the time we have for today, Fact Hunters. But before we go, let's remember the unique gifts these animals bring to our world. Seahorses help regulate the populations of small organisms. Sea turtles maintain healthy seagrass beds and coral reefs. Octopuses, through their unique diets, ensure biodiversity in their ecosystems. Dolphins serve as ecological indicators, and whales play a vital role in carbon storage. So let's continue exploring the wonders of nature together.